Are you terrified of waking up in 2026 and find out your coding skills are completely obsolete? We are think industry shifts, AI writing code, and the landscape changing faster than ever. If you don't want to be left jobless, you need to adapt. It's not just about knowing how to code anymore, it's about knowing the right tools. So today, let's break down the top 3 programming language you absolutely must know to stay relevant, competitive, and highly employable. And number 3, TypeScript. Yes, TypeScript, not just vanilla JavaScript. Look, JavaScript is great, but let's be honest, it lets you get away with way too much by default. TypeScript is basically like JavaScript responsible order sibling who actually pays their taxes. It forces you to use strict data types and clear structure. If you are planning to build a career in web dev today, having TypeScript on your CV isn't just a nice bonus, it's a massive flex. And if you think it's only for the front end, you're dead wrong. It's completely taking over backend development too. Moving on to number 2, it's Java. Wait. Don't click off the video, put the keyboard down, and I can already see you typing furiously in the comments, Java is dead, and nobody wants to write Java in 2026. I will gladly take that bet. Listen, if you are a bank, a massive medical institution, or any giant enterprise, you don't care about the newest trendiest framework. You need absolute rock solid stability. You want code that won't completely crash your servers on a Friday night. And 9 times out of 10 that means Java. Plus, if you're a beginner, Java is incredible for forcing you to actually understand how things work under the hood, like algorithms and data structures. And now going from a sleek, fast-paced language like TypeScript back to Java can feel rote at first, but honestly, Java has been evolving fast lately. And let's not forget backend Java is powered by the Spring framework, which will definitely keep your evenings busy. It's got a mountain of documentation, endless content, and a massive community support. Businesses love it because it's a safe bet. If you actually master Java, you are 100% not staying without a job. And now, closing out our top 3. Drumroll please. The undisputed heavyweight champion, Python. Of course, it's number 1. Python is literally everywhere, especially in the biggest hype train of the decade. You can easily pivot into DevOps, automation, or backend development. Python is essentially taking over the world. At first glance, Python seems super easy for beginners. You look at the syntax and think, wow, this reads almost like plain English. But be careful, this snake can be highly deceptive. Once you start digging deeper into building real scalable applications, Python is not as simple as it seems. It takes a weekend to learn but a lifetime to master. Now, I know I left out some amazing languages today. Where is Rust? What about Golang, C++, or C#? What can I say? The comment section is right down there. Let me know how angry you are. Maybe they'll make the next list. But despite all of this, let me leave you with one final thought. The single most important characteristic of a good engineer isn't knowing the exact syntax of a specific language. It's logical and creative problem solving. So don't forget, it doesn't really matter what programming language you know right now. What matters is how well you understand how to use it to actually solve real-world problems. Keep coding and I'll see you in the next one.